Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So right now, I am in Mandeville, Manchester. So I'm gonna take a tour of Bonito Crescent. So thank you all for watching my channel. True Jamaican vibes, you know. Yes, my people. So right now, the Bonito Crescent. Yeah, man, some nice places in Mandeville, Manchester. So Bonito Crescent is right off New Green Road. So when you're in Bonito Crescent, it's about 7 minutes drive to Mandeville town. So if you want to know different places in Manchester, kindly subscribe to the channel. And also in St. Elizabeth. Well, 14 parishes in Jamaica. Yeah, man, for Reid, I take on to them the places so you can subscribe to the channel. And always remember to hit the bell icon and press all. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be certified, you will be notified. Yeah, man, so we're there at Bonito Crescent, you know, so you know, in Mandeville, we have some nice weather in Mandeville. heading towards Caledonia Road, which is 800. Think of miles. So we are driving in the direction of southeast in Manchester. Left turn will take you all to Bonito Drive. You have the Bonito Way. So we're heading towards Caledonia Road. So I'm gonna make a left turn. This is where also you can find the Knutsford Express bus service on Caledonia Road. On your right, you have Levy Lane. So I'm gonna make a right turn. We'll take you to the Knutsford Express Depot in Mandeville, Manchester. now back on the main on Caledonia Road. So you gotta be careful when you're driving in Mandeville, and the road also. Gotta look out for other road users. Just take your time, let no one haste you. At 61 Caledonia Road. This is where also you can see a power service company limited. So let's take a tour of Galaway Road. Man, I see in Manchester, you see a lot of banana trees. Yeah, man, coconut tree. You know, in St. Elizabeth, you see a lot of different fruit tree, you know. Yeah, man. But you know, in Manchester, you have a lot of lychee. I don't see a lychee tree in St. Elizabeth, but in Manchester, you have mostly you can find a lot of lychees up there. So we are going on to Caledonia Boulevard. So we're gonna make a left turn, which take us to Great House Drive. Yeah, man, say for the one on the fresh fruits. Yeah, man, we can make a right turn and get to the fresh fruits. A lot of different types of fruits. So we're gonna make a left turn, will take us to Horseshoe Curve. So we have to be careful of them road. They will not drive them street here, you know, because a lot of corners on Caledonia road going to Horseshoe Curve. Yeah, man. So they have to take the time, approach with caution. A lot of big units, two to the horn also, you know. But them know say something up on the way I come. So our destination would be right to Caledonia Meadows. No, sorry, Horseshoe Curve. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Reid.